First question, n square plus n equal to bigger of n cube. Justify your answer. N square plus n equal to bigger of n cube. According to bigger notation, n square plus n is less than or equal to c of n cube. We give n equal to 2 and c equal to 2. 2 square plus 2 less than or equal to 2 cube, that is 6 less than or equal to 8. So this condition holds. So we can write n square plus n is equal to bigger of n cube. Next question, what is frequency count? Explain with an example. Frequency count is a count denoting number of times of execution of the statement. Example, sum of all elements of an array. In this program, s equal to 0 executes one time. For I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Here, I equal to 0 executes one time, I less than n executes n plus one time, I plus plus executes n time. So in total, it executes n plus one time. S equal to s plus a of I executes n time. So here f of n equal to 2n plus 3 is f equal to bigger of n. Next question, describe bigger notation used to represent asymptotic running time of algorithm. Give the asymptotic analysis of any one iterative algorithm. Bigger notation. Bigger notation represents the upper bound of the running time of an algorithm. Thus, it gives the worst case complexity of an algorithm. Bigger g of n is equal to f of n, that is there exist positive constants c and n naught or n0 such that 0 less than or equal to f of n less than or equal to c g of n for all n greater than or equal to n naught. This is the graph for bigger notation. Here in the x-axis is the input function, that is n. N indicates size of the function. In the y-axis is t, which indicates time it takes for the function to complete. Here c g of n is present in the upper bound. So let us take c equal to 4. G of n is an asymptotic upper bound for f of n. So let me take the example, f of n equal to 3n plus 2 and g of n equal to n. Now what is the formula? F of n equal to bigger g of n. This formula satisfies the condition of f of n less than or equal to c g of n, where c greater than 0 and n not greater than or equal to 1. So now substitute the values. C is greater than 0 and it is present in the upper bound. So assume c as 4. In the place of g of n, I am writing n. First, I am writing 3n plus 2 less than or equal to cn. So now 3n plus 2 less than or equal to 4n, 3n plus 2 less than or equal to n, and n greater than or equal to 2. This is the example illustrating selection sort. Here best case is equal to bigger of n square, worst case is equal to bigger of n square, and average case is equal to bigger of n square. Next question, do the performance comparison of linear search and binary search. The time complexity for linear search is bigger of n and for binary search is bigger of log 2n. Best case time for linear search is bigger of 1 first element. For binary search is bigger of 1 center element. Input data for linear search is not need to be sorted, and for binary search it is to be sorted. The access for linear search is sequential and for binary search is random. Comparison of linear search is equality and for binary search is ordering.